Hi friends! Today this video will show you about Bomburu Falls, which is a most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. Bomburu Falls is located in Yuva Paranagama Regional Secretariat, close to the border of Badulla and Nuwara Eliya districts. This waterfall is also considered to be the widest waterfall in Sri Lanka. This beautiful Bomburu Falls is located in Sita Eliya Kandapola Reserve in Peravela village, about 15 kilometers from Wellamada. This waterfall is created by nature dividing the Dulgala River, which is another tributary of the Mahaweli River, into 4 parts. The height of the falls is about 50 meters and the width is about 20 meters. Sources say that the lower part of the waterfall is called Umar Oya. We heard that the beautiful environment is also being destroyed, because many people are going to visit Bomburu Falls. So you also go to see this beautiful waterfall. But never destroy the beautiful environment around it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my Motherland YouTube channel.